Good afternoon. Good afternoon, everybody. Good afternoon, and welcome to Paul's Monday Market Update, number 219 for Monday, 23rd of March, 2026. I hope you're all well. I hope you have had a good weekend. I hope you have been able to work your way through and make some sense of the rather sort of eventful morning that we've had in markets. As always, if you're joining us for the live session here or on the YouTube live stream, it'd be great to know that you can hear my voice and that you can see the slides. Always good to know the technology is working in our favor. For those of you joining us for the first time, the Monday Market Update is just that. It is literally me flying through as much as I can share with you in the next sort of 25-30 minutes, looking at strength and weakness within FX indices and commodities markets, then looking at a few charts of interest, and then a look at the live markets themselves. It is not a signal service. It's not trade recommendations. It is just me sharing what I'm looking at, which might be of benefit or help to yourselves. As always, you are very welcome here, but just remember that you are responsible for your own trading decisions. And if you want a little bit more help and support, there is a special offer on the VTP Stage 2 Swing trading course and the VTP Stage 3 Intraday trading course. There's a special offer there until the 1st of April 26. It's the kind of end of the quarter, end of the financial year. If you want some more details on that, you can ping me, or that QR code there will take you. But it's a very special offer for basically this week alone. If you've got any questions, ping me. So here we go. A few charts of interest, okay, that are relevant or of interesting to us, okay. So what I've got here is, let's go up a little bit. This is Unusual Machines, UMAC, okay. Kind of curious about this because invariably what you can see is the change is pretty significant, okay, over the last week or two. So who are they? What are they interested? Well, Universal Machines, they're a kind of combined drone defense tech company, okay, and of course, because of the nature of what they do and because of the nature of what's going on, there's been huge kind of interest in them, huge momentum in them. But they are, they're a small company, small float, and as you can see for yourself, there has been that retail participation has kind of led to increase in volatility, okay. So it does have a sympathy flow with kind of defense and also sort of autonomous systems names, okay, of which there are a few others. But it is very much a case of it being sort of momentum driven. As you can see, when there's been some great runs, and there have been, you've had real sort of sharp upside momentum, but also you get some really kind of strong reversals. And this is why I was intrigued to see here. We popped up here to sort of $20, and then we kind of came down here at the end of last week. And interestingly, if I look at that, okay, we're just under. We kind of closed underneath 15. The pre-market is actually a little bit of a bump there. Okay, what's that about? About 40 odd 45 cents, okay, and a little bit of a bump, okay, off that. But I'll be curious to see if this kind of 5 day of sort of ceasefire, if that is the start of let's say a widening de-escalation. I'll be intrigued to see how that impacts defense companies, and in particular kind of small ones like here. I think there could be some great volatility in there. So for those of you who like to sort of trade intraday on stocks, you're definitely getting some moves on unusual machines at the moment.